Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the English lesson. Hope you will be fine, safe and healthy at your homes. Students, this is your next month started, and we are going to start our unit 4. As you know that this lesson we have already done in the April. So let's start. Before starting the lesson, look at the name unit 4, and its name is reptiles. Look at the keywords. What are the meaning of the keywords? We must know before starting the lesson that what are the meaning of these words. The first word is extinct. Do you know what is the meaning of extinct? Extinct means if we say that if an animal is an extinct, it means that it is no longer alive on earth. Means they are finished from the earth, like dinosaur. They are no more on the earth. So extinct means the animals who are no longer alive on the earth. The next word is scales. What is the meaning of scales? Scales are the hard plates on the skin of reptiles. You see, hard plates on the skin of reptiles. And the next word is tear. Tear means the drop of water from one's eye while crying. When someone is crying, the drop of water coming from the eyes are called tears. What is this word? Prey. Prey is the animals who are being eaten by some other animals. Okay, look at the next one, reptiles. Reptiles are the animals with dry and scaly skin. They can live both on land and as well as in water. Okay, so these are the key words and I have told you the meanings. You will also write these meanings on the notebook. Let's start the lesson. It's an information text about the reptiles. What are, firstly, actually this lesson is based on the question and its answers to clear all the questions that come to your mind. Like, what are crocodile? Crocodile belongs to the reptile family of animals. From which family it belongs to? Crocodile belongs to the reptile family of animals. This means that they have cold blood and lay eggs. Other reptiles are snakes and lizard. These both are also reptiles. They also lay eggs and they are cold-blooded animals. What type of their bodies? Crocodiles have hard scales on their back to protect them. You see in the picture, they are having the hard scales on their body to protect them. Their long tails help them to swim fast. They have sharp claws and powerful jaws with 24 teeth. How many teeth they have? 24 teeth. So this is the information about their bodies. As you know that what type of body they have hard skin on their back. You must know about these questions. If someone asks like what are the crocodiles, what type of crocodile's body, you must know that they have long tail and what is the objective of its tail. Its tail help them to swim fast. And they have sharp claws and powerful jaws with 24 teeth. Okay, so now let's move on the next question. Where they live and what they eat. Crocodile usually live in rivers and lakes, but they sometimes live in salt water too, means in oceans. They eat fish, birds, small animals and other reptiles. They often lie very still at the edge of the water. So means they are without movement. So they look like logs of wood. They are laying on the edge of the water without any movement for very long time. So it is seen that there is a log of wood, not an animal. Okay. So beta, you must focus on your pronunciation, focus on your accent. I'll repeat it for you, one paragraph for you again. What are crocodile? When you are speaking, when you are saying a question, your accent should be like a question, like with your sound someone know that you are asking about a question. What are crocodiles? Crocodiles belong to the reptiles family of animals. This means that they have cold blood and lay eggs. Other reptiles are snakes and lizards. So in this way, you should must focus on your fluency, your pronunciation, your accent, work on it, and hope so you can do it. Okay. Now I am sharing the picture of a word meaning that you have to write down on your notebook. Look at this. Your unit 4 reptiles. These are the other words that I also haven't taken the full lesson. I just you have just read page number 32. So look at these words and you must write down it on your notebooks. Okay class, take care of yourself.